Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing the AirPods Pro. Let's get started. So as soon as we open the box, we're greeted with some paperwork, and right underneath that paperwork are the AirPods Pro. And underneath that is the USB-C to Lightning cable. So Apple provides different sizes of ear tips as well in the box, which is very unlike Apple, I must say. Anyway, let's get to the AirPods themselves. So these new AirPods Pro come with a completely new design which allows for a good seal inside the ear, allowing Apple to include active noise cancellation, which I'd say is godsend in some situations. Anyway, when compared to the original AirPods, the AirPods Pro are significantly smaller and the case itself has shrunk down in height but is much wider. But the overall footprint of the case remains about the same. And that's it for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, peace out.